Speaking of tonight, officials in Colorado reporting the first known U.S. case of that possibly more contagious and new coronavirus variant that was originally found over in the UK.
That's right, Tim. And as Americans continue to get vaccinated, health experts worry it's not happening fast enough. ABC's Andrea Fuji has the latest from New York.
Another vaccine may be on the way, a fifth vaccine to enter late-stage clinical trials from drug maker Novavax. This as health experts express concern over the national vaccine rollout. The coronavirus variant, originally discovered in the UK and thought to be more contagious, is now in the U.S. Health officials confirm a Colorado man in his 20s with no travel history contracted the virus variant and is now in isolation. Meanwhile, hope continuing to spread as frontline healthcare workers and nursing home residents receive their first dose of the coronavirus vaccine. Cheers for veterans at Holyoke Soldiers Home in Massachusetts as they were vaccinated. 76 people died of COVID there last spring.
How do you feel? Great.
Vice President-elect Kamala Harris and her husband Doug Emhoff received the Moderna vaccine in Washington, D.C.
That was easy.
But across the country, just over 2 million doses have been delivered so far, well under the goal of 20 million by the end of the year. Now the White House task force saying that may not happen until the end of January.
The pace of the vaccination program is moving now, if it continues to move as it is now. It's going to take years, not months, to vaccinate the American people.
And the vaccine can't come soon enough for places like California. L.A. County reporting a 600% increase in COVID-19 deaths since November. The state expected to extend stay-at-home orders.
On average, 9 to 10 people in L.A. County test positive for COVID-19 every minute.
But health officials are worried about another holiday surge. The TSA reporting they screened more than 1 million people on Monday. That's the 7th time in less than 2 weeks. The threat of infection growing exponentially each time. As the new year approaches, a new staggering trend is emerging. Right now, 121,000 Americans are hospitalized with COVID-19. That's double what the U.S. saw in April and July during the peaks of the pandemic. Andrea Fuji, ABC News, New York.